Good morning, signal number 2, pero bakit umaaraw siya? Nakakagulat no? As of 5 a.m. announced by Pag-asa ay signal number 2 dito sa Benguet. Pero kita-kita nyo nga naman no na ganito yung weather dito sa Baguio and Benguet. So it's partly cloudy skies with no rain showers. So kung titingnan nyo ulit yung araw, ganyan siya. Sumisikat siya, sumisilip siya. Bakit kaya? Kaya ite-take advantage ko 'tong araw na 'to kasi baka mamaya biglang kukulimlim at uulan. So, let's feel the moment while it's there. Pero ganito yung itsura ng weather. So, kung makikita nyo sa satellite imagery by Japan Meteorological Agency, ang lapit pala ng bagyong Imong dito sa amin, no? So, as you can see, ayan, dito sa map, covered ang Pilipinas ng mga clouds. So, papalapit pa ng papalapit itong bagyong Imong, while yung isang bagyo ay nandyan. So, I think hinihigop niya itong si bagyong Imong and merong Fujiwara effect. So, makikita nyo parang they are dancing, no? So, ayan, expect na uulan talaga mamaya kasi papalapit na papalapit itong bagyong si Imong. Nagulat talaga ako, no? Kasi signal number 2 ang Benguet. So, makikita nyo dito sa map ng tropical cyclone signal warning na yung yellow is signal number 2, blue signal number 1, tsaka yung orange signal number 3. Kaya simulan na natin. Yung signal number 3, northern portion of Pangasinan, Anda, Bolinao, Bani. Tapos yung western portion of La Union. Ito yung Luna, Balawan, Bacnotan, San Juan, San Fernando City, Bawang, tsaka Kaba. And then signal number 2, Benguet, including Baguio City. And then Ilocos Norte, Ilocos Sur, rest of La Union, western portions of Apayao, Abra, Kalinga, Mountain Province, Ifugao, central portions of Pangasinan, tapos western portion of Nueva Vizcaya. And then signal number 1 naman ay Batanes, then Cagayan, including Babuyan Islands, and western and central portions of Isabela, the rest of Nueva Vizcaya, Quirino, the rest of Apayao, rest of Pangasinan, northern and central portions of Zambales, and western and central portions of Nueva Ecija. Bababa na tayo kasi i-check natin kapag biglang kukulimlim, in which yun nga ang magiging scenario mamaya dahil papalapit na ng papalapit etong typhoon na si Imong. So, sisilong muna tayo at kakain ng breakfast. Kaya according sa DILG's Memorandum Circular number 91, all levels ng classes ay suspendido, no? So sa northern, central, tapos some parts of Mimaropa, southern Tagalog, some parts of Bicol region, western Visayas ay walang pasok. Kaya kung makikita nyo, basahin nyo na lang dito, i-post nyo na lang tong video kung kasali yung mga provinces nyo. After 30 minutes, ganito na yung itsura ng